Hello everyone. This video is a small comparison between a command given to Cortana and a code that I wrote. Send message on WhatsApp.
I've got this for you on send a message on WhatsApp.
Good evening. How can I help you, sir?
WhatsApp.
Whom do you want to send message?
ABC.
What's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Do you want to send another message?
No. Close tab. Exit. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please click that like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.